Obsolescence management in manufacturing explained. In today's manufacturing and industrial environments, electronic components are always changing. Parts become obsolete, suppliers shift, and technology moves forward. Obsolescence management helps manufacturers plan for these changes rather than react to them. It's about understanding risks early and keeping operations optimized. By tracking component life cycle and supplier status, manufacturers can avoid unexpected downtime, production delays, and rising replacement costs. When obsolescence occurs, your options include repair, refurbishment, form-fit-function replacements, or strategic sourcing solutions that support existing equipment. These strategies extend the life of industrial systems, reduce waste, and protect long-term capital investments. Effective obsolescence management also supports safety, compliance, and reliability across critical manufacturing environments. Global Electronic Services helps manufacturers stay informed, reduce risk, and optimize their operations through proactive obsolescence management solutions.